you ever seen someone driving a flashy car, posting screenshots of huge profits, and claiming they made it all from Forex? You're not alone, because today we're diving deep into the mysterious and electrifying world of Forex trading. What is Forex? Can you get rich from it? And most importantly, is it a trap in disguise? Let's find out. If you're new to this channel, take your 3 seconds to hit the subscribe button and like the video. You can also support the channel with the M-Pesa number below. Alert Forex trading. Getting rich or getting scammed. This is the truth they don't want you to know. So, what is Forex? It's simply the money behind the money. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the largest financial market globally. With over $7 trillion traded daily, it makes the stock market look like child's play. It's where banks, governments, hedge funds, and even individuals like you trade currencies, buying one while selling another. The United States dollar to Kenya shillings, USD, KES, Euro to Great British Pounds, EUR, GBP, Japanese yen to Swiss franc, JPY, CHF. It's all happening 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. How does Forex work? You buy low, sell high on profit, or perish. Imagine this. You buy the US dollar when it's weak and sell it when it's strong. You see that difference? That's your profit. You don't need a degree in finance. All you need is a device, internet, a broker account, and the right strategy. But here's the twist. It's not that simple. Because for every winner in Forex, there's a loser. And if you don't learn fast, the market will eat you alive. Can you get rich with Forex? Yes. But people have become millionaires with Forex. But don't be fooled. It's not luck. It's not magic. It's skill, discipline, sleepless nights, brutal losses, and months, even years, of learning. Forex can give you freedom, but only if you treat it like a career, not a casino. Let's look at the dirty side of Forex, the Forex scams. If it smells like easy money, run. Here's where dreams turn into nightmares. Scam number 1, Forex gurus and robots that promise 100% wins, promising 100% profit in days. No tool or system can guarantee profit. Most are designed to take your subscription fee and vanish. Scam number 2, fake and unregulated brokers who take your money and vanish. They often offer huge bonuses, leverage, or guaranteed returns. They can disappear with your money or make withdrawals nearly impossible. Scam number 3, account managers who trade for you and who promise profits and disappear overnight. They ask you to send money for trading on your behalf. Often you can lose your money quickly with risky trades. Scam number 4, Ponzi or MLM-style Forex investment schemes. They recruit people to invest with promises of fixed monthly returns. These are usually illegal and collapse when recruitment slows down. Ponzi schemes disguised as trading clubs or investment plans. If anyone ever tells you guaranteed returns or zero risk in Forex, run fast. How to trade Forex safely and smart. Learn, practice, protect. Here's how you can start smart. 1. Choose a regulated broker. Always check if they're licensed. 2. Start with a demo account. Learn with zero risk. 3. Invest in your education. YouTube, courses, books. Never stop learning. 4. Risk management is everything. Only risk what you can afford to lose. Here are 4 main red flags to watch out for. 1. Risk-free or guaranteed profits. 2. Pressure to invest quickly. 3. Poorly designed websites, anonymous teams, or a lack of clear regulation. 4th. Promises of doubling your money in weeks or months. Note: Forex trading is not a scam, but many scammers operate in the space preying on people's desire for quick money. If you take the time to learn, use regulated brokers, and practice smart risk management, you can trade safely and realistically. You can succeed. You can build wealth. but only if you treat Forex like a business, not a lottery ticket. Want more real talk about money, mindset, and financial freedom? Hit that like, subscribe, and tap the bell, because here, we don't sell dreams. We teach reality. Explosion.